In this video, we are going to talk very shortly about the chemical mediators. This will be the first part of the topic inflammation of pathology of basic sciences, and our sources and references will be from the Robbins Book of Pathology. In our subsequent videos, we will explain about the inflammation very concisely. So stay tuned and subscribe Medways Nepal. Chemical mediators, substance that initiates and regulates the inflammatory reactions, which are also called as inflammatory mediators because these are initiating and also regulating the process of inflammation. And these will have characteristics such as these are produced on stimulus or any agents that will stimulate the process of inflammation, such as foreign bodies, microbes, or might be immune, or might be the dead cells. And on production, these might oppose or progress the inflammatory reactions, which means opposing means either stopping or inhibiting the inflammatory reaction or helping in the progression of reactions, might play either way. And these may act in autocrine or paracrine manner. Autocrine means acting upon the cells which are releasing it, and paracrine means acting on the surrounding cells. So are short-lived. These are inactivated or inhibited after their actions very shortly. Now in this picture we can see different sources of chemical mediators. We have plasma proteins, which are usually in inactivated state in our plasma, which are in our blood vessels and which will be activated when needed. And we also have different cells such as mast cell, dendritic cell, macrophage as a source of chemical mediators, which are histamine, cytokines, prostaglandins, and also the polymorphonucleosides. And M will be of elimination of any microbes or dead tissues. So basically we have two types of chemical mediators: cellular, which are also termed as local mediators, which will be acting upon the local tissue, and systemic means produced from the liver, or which are plasma derived because plasma in blood. So in that way we have two types of chemical mediators: cell derived. Further, cell derived will have preformed or mediators which are stored in granules such as histamine and serotonin. Under cell derived we have newly synthesized or synthesized de novo, which are synthesized in response to the stimulus. And those mediators are cytokines, chemokines, prostaglandins, which are arachidonic acid metabolites, and leukotrienes. And in second type, plasma derived. So example, complement proteins, kinases, or also Hessman factor or factor 12 of the clotting factor. We'll be discussing further actions of the principal mediators of inflammation in our subsequent videos, such as vasoactive amines related to the blood vessels. What are the actions? So we will be discussing about these in our subsequent videos, so stay tuned. And also we will talk about the reactions of inflammation. What is inflammation? We will try to define, break down the definition of inflammation. What are the peculiar characteristic cardinal signs of inflammation? So now let's test ourselves. Complement proteins are option A, plasma derived or cell derived. Question number 2, which one is synthesized de novo? Option A, serotonin. Option B, cytokines. So please do leave your answer